Hey guys, today I am representing a seminar presentation on Believers technology. So, aim of this technology is to create a computational machine which can understand the action and emotion of a human. In this technology, a camera and microphone is used to identify the user action and emotion. So, here the term believe is stand for the Bluetooth, which enables the reliable wireless communication, and the eyes term used because the eye movement enable us to obtain a lot of interesting and important information. Now, let's discuss about the need of blue eyes technology. So guys, to build a machine that can understand your emotion, a computer machine that can listen, talk like a human, a machine that can verify your identity, feels your presence and interact with you. So these are the reason why this technology developed. Let's see the which technology are used in this technology. In this technology, five technologies are used. First is emotion mouse, second is manual and gaze input cascaded, third is artificial intelligent speech recognition, and fourth is simple user interest tracker. We can say it a shooter. And the last one is the eye movement sensor. So, what is the emotion mouse? This mouse is also like a normal mouse which can be used in our computer, but it's have some special capability. That's are the in this mouse a heartbeat and sensor is attached which can count and feel our heartbeat, and pressure sensor is also attached with this mouse which can calculate the user's hand pressure. Now you are thinking that what is the use of the hand pressure? So guys, we hold the things each time with different hand pressure. Each time means different situation. Whenever we angry, then we hold the things very hardly. This different situation is stored in the machine, and the machine now trying to understand our situation. And temperature sensor is also attached with this mouse, which noticed our body temperature. So guys, this is that emotion mouse. Now people spend approximately 1 by 3 of their total computer time touching input device. In this way, physiological data is obtained and emotional state is determined. Now let's see the magic technology, which is manual and gaze input cascaded. So it reduces the cursor movement needed for target selection. It click on the target with a regular manual input device. In this, two techniques are used. First is liberal and second is conservative. In this technology, the artificial intelligent speech recognition is also used, which is used to input words are scanned and matched against internally stored words. It is also used for identification by the user voice. It stored the data in the RAM. Now, application of artificial intelligent speech recognition. Its control weapons by voice commands. There is no need to writing any command. It can be detected directly by the voice. In this, user speaks into microphones. Shooter. Let's see the third technology, shooter, which is used in this technology. It is a simple user interest tracker. It is detect the eyes of the user and notice where the user's eyes focus on the screen. It's fetched the more information at desktop. Now the eye movement sensor designing. In this, two major units are used in this technology. First is data acquisition unit and second is central system unit. So the data acquisition unit is consist of the following components, which is ATMEL 8952 microcontroller, Bluetooth module supports synchronous voice, data transmission, central system sound feedback, alphanumeric, LCD display, LED indicators, and ID card interface. Now let's see the feature of data acquisition unit. It is lightweight device. It can run on batteries with low power consumption. It is very easy to use. It checks ID cards for operator authorization. Now let's see about the central system unit. It is consists of following components. First is connection manager, which is used to perform low level Bluetooth communication. Second is data analysis module. It performs the analysis of the raw sensor data. Third one is data logger module. It provides support for storing the monitor data. And last one is visualization module. It provides user interactive for the supervisor. Now let's see the feature of central system unit. First is connection management. It manages the connection on low network area. Second is data processing. It processes the data from user to memory. Third is data recording. It stores the data in the memory. Fourth is access verification. It also needs the verification of the user to access the machine. System maintenance. It maintains the system time to time. Now let's see about the security of data. Security is very important in every field. So in this technology, there are some security. So in the system, only register mobile devices or user can connect to the system. It authenticates the Bluetooth connection. It used the some encrypted method to make connection, and also used encryption in personal and physiological data. Now applications of BlueS technology. It can be used in video games. It can be also used in automobile industry, a power station, in operating theaters, and to create face responsive display and perceptive environment, general control rooms. And it can be also used in many areas. Now let's see the conclusion of this technology. Now we have a machine that can understand our emotion and action. It also reduces the gap between electronic and physical world. And computer can be run using implicit commands instead of the explicit commands. So thank you so much guys to watch this video. If you have any doubts, you can comment on this video. Thank you.